Ethereum value equivalent to $1638 a coin. The present reach, $1,628. $1,638. The earlier day close, $1,629. The change was +9. Plus 0.55%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $1646. Most extreme cost $1,738. Least cost $1,335. The normal for the month $1,539. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,436. Change for September 12.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $1436. Greatest cost $1,539. Least cost $1,177. The normal for the month $1,355. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,266. Change for October 11.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at $1,266. Greatest cost $1,266. Least cost $1,043. The normal for the month $1,174. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,122. Change for November 11.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $1122. Most extreme cost $1,152. Least cost $1,002. The normal for the month $1,088. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,077. Change for December 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at $1077. Most extreme cost $1,189. Least cost $1,033. The normal for the month $1,103. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,111. Change for January 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at $1111. Greatest cost $1,191. Least cost $1,035. The normal for the month $1,113. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,113. Change for February 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $1113. Greatest cost $1,222. Least cost $1,062. The normal for the month $1,135. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,142. Change for spring 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $1142. Greatest cost $1,390. Least cost $1,142. The normal for the month $1,243. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,299. Change for April 13.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $1,299. Most extreme cost $1,406. Least cost $1,222. The normal for the month $1,310. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,314. Change for May 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with cost at $1314. Greatest cost $1,631. Least cost $1,314. The normal for the month $1,446. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,524. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,524. Greatest cost $1,524. Least cost $1,311. The normal for the month $1,442. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,410. Change for July 7.5%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Before all else cost at $14.10. Most extreme cost $1,410. Least cost $1,101. The normal for the month $1,276. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,184. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $11.84. Most extreme cost $1,469. Least cost $1,184. The normal for the month $1,303. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,373. Change for September 16.0%. USD to ETH conversion scale equivalent to 0.6104 Ethereums per $1,000. The present reach 0.6104 0.6144. The earlier days nearby 0.6141. Change for now 0.0037. 0.60%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at $718. Greatest cost $891. Least cost $718. The normal for the month $790. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $833. Change for November 16.0%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $833. Greatest cost $990. Least cost $833. The normal for the month $895. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $925. Change for December 11.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $925. Most extreme cost $925. Least cost $724. The normal for the month $838. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $778. Change for January 15.9%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. In the first place cost at $778. Greatest cost $812. Least cost $706. The normal for the month $764. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $759. Change for February 2.4%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $759. Greatest cost $942. Least cost $759. The normal for the month $835. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $880. Change for spring 15.9%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. At the outset cost at $880. Most extreme cost $1,092. Least cost $880. The normal for the month $968. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,021. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $1021. Most extreme cost